Hello everybody. I am Bindu Kerajan, Faculty of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jyoti Engineering College, Thrissur, affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. Today I would like to discuss Introduction to Digital Image Processing. This course is actually EC370 Digital Image Processing, and this course offers to 6th semester BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering students. So let's move on to the presentation. So these are the textbooks that you can refer for this particular subject: Digital Image Processing by S. Jayaraman, Digital Image Processing by Gonzalez Rafael C, and Fundamentals of Digital Image Processing by Jane Anil K, and Digital Image Processing by Kenneth R. Castleman. So what do you mean by an image? How the image can be represented? So the digital image, basically an image is represented by a rectangular array of integers. So it is a two-dimensional function, x and y, they are the spatial coordinates, and the particular point at the gray level intensity value at that point x comma y, that is called as the intensity value, pixel intensity value, and that integer value or that pixel intensity value actually represent the brightness or darkness of the image at that points. So that is the digital image. So for an n by m size image, n represents the number of rows, m represents the number of columns, q represents the number of gray level intensity values. And this m, n, q, can be represented as a power of 2. So the storage requirement to store a size in n by n size of image, we require n by m by q number of bits. So for example, 1024 by 1024 size of an image, if you are using an 8-bit representation to represent a pixel intensity value, we require 1024 into 1024 into 8. That is equal to 1 MP. 1 MP, that much storage we require to store 1024 by 1024 size of an image. So an image which consists of 1024 by 1024, that much number of pixels in that image. So this is the array of representation of image. So this is the first pixel intensity value, the next pixel intensity value, and so on. So here you are getting n rows and m columns. This is an example for image. So here you can see that so many number of rows and so many number of columns, and one box that is called as the pixel intensity value at that particular point. So what is the digital image processing? Digital image processing means we are processing the image in order to extract the relevant information from that image. There are two types of digital image processing: low level processing, mid level processing, and high level processing. For low level processing, these are the applications. We can reduce the noise, we can enhance the contrast, we can sharpen the image. For mid level processing, that is basically used for segmenting the image and classifying the images. And high level image processing, that is mainly used for recognizing the objects from the image. Three types of digital image processing: low level, mid level, and high level. And have you heard about image file formats? What do you mean by an image file format? The basic model for image file format is shown in this figure. So here you can see that so many segments. The first few segments, that is called as the header, which contains the width and height of the image. As we know, 1024 by 1024 by image, 1024 is the width and height of the image, which is 1024 itself. So that information is contained in the header files, and the remaining segments which shows the pixel intensity values. So header together with image data, which is the file format, and there are the first two segments which shows the bits for identifying the file format, in which format you are storing the data. That section is called as magic number bytes. These are the different image file formats that we commonly used: GIF, graphic interchange format; portable network graphics; joint photographic experts group; TIFF, tagged image file format; PGM, portable gray map; FITS, flexible image transport system. And there are four types of images: binary images, grayscale images, color images. Basically, it is called as RGB images and multispectral images. See, this is the binary image. So here you can see that only two intensity values are present in this image, black or white. And this corresponds to grayscale intensity values. Grayscale intensity values means the color intensity values from black to white, from 0 to 1. And in the case of RGB image, this is an example for RGB image. There is three channels are there: red, green, blue. And the pixel intensity value will be the average of these three channels. So that corresponds to RGB channel. Thank you.